Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to get the crying filter which you see on TikTok like this. This filter is quite impressive as it completely changes your face into a sad or a crying face. Whether you're laughing, smiling, or just thinking about something, it'll make your face look like you've just cried or are very sad. So the secret to this filter is that it is not available on TikTok. You can only find it on Snapchat. So let me show you how to get it and how to use it. Before we begin, first make sure you update your Snapchat app to the latest version. You can go into the App Store or Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Once updated, go ahead and open it up. Now tap on the search at the top, search for crying. In the result, you should see some filters appear. Tap on the one that says crying with this kind of icon on it. This will open up the camera screen and the effect will be shown on your face. As you can see, I'm smiling right now, but it is actually showing as I'm sad. Whether you laugh or smile, this filter will always show you as a sad person. Now go ahead and record yourself or record someone else with this filter. They won't even know what you're actually doing until they see the results. Once you've recorded it, you have the download button which will download it to your photo library. Now go ahead and tap on that. Once the video has been downloaded, open TikTok, tap on the plus sign and upload your crying face video which you have created in Snapchat. Now you can add your music, text and effects and then post it on TikTok. And that is how to get the crying filter which you see on TikTok. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.